Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women cushion cover designs, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing crochet cushion designs. Combinations, color, multicolors also in front of you. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet cushion cover designs and others like crochet bed sheet, pillow covers, curtain designs, sofa cover designs, and others like crochet baby frock designs, baby romper designs, baby shoes designs, baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, and sleeveless gloves, women long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, quarter sleeve, sleeveless, and off shoulder, one shoulder dresses. Women poncho designs, caplet cap shawls, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, and in jewelry, crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelet, finger rings, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things. So, dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. Now, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then, goodbye.